Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-string Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a little fingerstyle arrangement of Amazing Grace. Really hope you enjoy. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's jump in and start learning how to play this one. We're in the key of E, and the first few bars go like that. So that's E, 2, 3, E7, 2, 3, A, 2, 3, and back to E, 2, 3. So we're in 3/4 time here. So watch out for that, and let's really break it down. So first off, you're just going to play the second string open, and then you're going to play the first and the sixth string together. Okay, so nice and simple. And then we've got, so that there is on the top string the 4th fret and the third string the 4th fret too. Play those together, and then down to the second. You can slide that if you want to, and then 1st fret on the 3rd string and open top string. So all together, and then okay, and then I slide into the E7 right here. So that's the top string 4th fret and the 2nd string 3rd fret and the 2nd string 3rd fret, yeah, and then the 3rd string 4th fret. Oh, okay, and I just slide in from 1 fret below. So you got like that. Amazing Grace. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, and then so we're leading to our A chord now. So what I did there is got the 4th fret on the 6th string in the bass and the 2nd fret on the top string together, and quickly hammer the 4th fret on the top string. Okay, and then back up to the 2nd fret on the top, and that leads us to our A. And on the A chord, hold that down, and I'll just play strings 1, 2, and 5 together. Okay, so that's like. Alright, so far. And then on that A chord, what I'll do is I'll lift off the 2nd string, play that open with the 3rd string together, and then quickly hammer that 2nd fret back on. Okay, so. And then to E. And on the E chord, I'll just play strings 2, 3, and 6. Okay, so that's really the first few bars. And then after that, you're going to play the 2nd string, the top string, and then strings 1 and 6 together. Okay, and then again we've got just like before, okay? But this time I'm not really playing a 7th chord, so I'm not playing the 2nd string in there, just the 4th fret on the 3rd and 1st string. So like that. And then we go up here, 7th fret, and then B. So I'll play the 7th fret on the top string, and I'm barring the 4th fret on the top 4 strings. And I'll just let that ring out, and then on the count of 3, a light strum, and then I'll make it a B7. And to make it a B7, all I do is I take the 7th fret here and just make it the 5th fret. Okay, so you could just play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, or strum it to fill out the sound as much as you want to. So that part. And then we've got okay, so that's very similar to before. We just go 4th fret on the top string, up to the 7th fret, and then I'm playing this E chord like this. So really, I'm playing the 7th fret on the top string, the 5th fret on the 2nd string, and the 4th fret on the 3rd string. And you can get the 6th fret on the 4th string if you want to, but that's an E chord. So you've gone. Okay, and then again we got that slide 4 to 2, and then 1 and open, and then we slide that E7 just like before, and then again we've got the 4th fret in the bass with the 2nd fret on top together, and hammer up to the 4th fret on the top string, and then back to the 2nd, and down to A. Okay, just like before, and then we do the hammer on the 2nd string, open to 2, and into our E chord. Okay, so after we've gone, once we've done that, this bit, exactly the same as the first few bars. But then we've got so that there, we've done our A and to our E chord. And on the E chord, just like before, strings 2, 3 and 6. And then what I do, we're going to a C sharp minor 7th chord. But to get there, I'm playing the 2nd string open with the 1st fret on the 4th string. And then that's our C sharp minor 7 chord right there. So that's the open top string. And then on the 3rd string, I play the 4th fret. And on the 5th string, I play the 4th fret as well. So that's like. Okay, and then we've got a slide again, 4, 2, 1 and open. But then we go to a B this time, and I'm playing it like this. So that's the top string. Really what I'm doing is I'm barring the top 3 strings on the 4th fret, and I'm playing this B note in the bass. So you've got like that, and then 2nd fret on the top 2 strings. So, and then we just got our ending. So that's really nice. That's on an A chord, leading back to our E chord. So on our A, start with the 2nd string open, and I'll play the top 2 strings with the bass, and I'll hammer that 2nd fret on. Okay, and then 4th fret in the bass with the open 2nd string. Okay, so that's. The 2nd fret on the 3rd string and the 6th string. Okay, so like, and then to our E chord. And I'm just playing really the G string open with the 6th string together. And I'll quickly hammer the 1st fret on the 3rd string. So it's like. And that's it. From there, you could go round again. So to repeat it, to get back to the start, I'll probably flip to a B7 chord, and I'll just play the 5th string and the 2nd string together, and then just go round again. And that's how you play this sort of arrangement of Amazing Grace. Watch out for the timing. If you're not used to playing in 3/4, just put out the metronome, set it to 3/4 time, and get practicing. Just practice counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on, and you'll get it in no time. But there you go. You can repeat that as many times as you want to. And yeah, I hope you enjoy that. Alright, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, check out some of the other videos I have here on the channel, and head over to 6stringfingerpicking.com where there are hundreds more fingerstyle guitar lessons.